You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is usually a name used in Spanish-speaking countries, so Spain, Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, and so on. It's going to be a similar pronunciation in Spanish and Portuguese. Spanish from Spain, central Spain, is pronounced as Mauricio, with the C pronounced like TH. But in other parts of Spain and South America, Mexico, Chile, Honduras, it's pronounced as Mauricio, with the C pronounced like an S. So Mauricio, Mauricio, with a stress on the ri syllable. In English, it's generally pronounced similarly as Mauricio, Mauricio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.